ethical values should be taught to the youth today?
I believe honesty, respect, empathy, and responsibility are essential values for the youth today. These values help them become better individuals and contribute positively to society. In a world full of distraction and pressures, staying true to one's principles make a big difference.
Among all the lessons that we discuss in ethics, what do you find them useful in real life and why?
For me, the lesson on integrity stands the most. In real life situations often test our character when no one is watching. Having integrity means doing the right things, even when it's hard, and that's something I believe is useful in school, at work, and also in relationship.
Suppose you caught your best friend cheating on an exam, what would you do?
Talk to my friend privately first and ask them why they feel the need to cheat. I'd explain how it could affect their future and encourage them to be honest and take responsibility. I believe giving people a chance to correct their mistakes before getting others involved.
You consider be your most ethical qualities?
I think my strongest ethical quality is empathy. I try to understand where people are coming from before judging them. I also value honesty a lot, even when it's uncomfortable. I try to tell the truth because trust matters to me.
Describe a specific instance where you asked to do something unethical or advised to lie about something, how you handled the situation, why you responded the way you did.
One time, a group project members wanted me to lie to the teacher and say they helped more than they actually did. I felt uncomfortable but politely told them I couldn't do that because it wouldn't be fair to the rest of the team. I believe in the fairness and I knew I'd feel guilty if I lied. It wasn't easy, but I'm glad I stood up by my values. What ethical values do you think should be taught to the youth today?
The ethical values should be taught today is respect. Encourage respect for others, embracing diversity and valuing different perspectives. This includes promoting tolerance and understanding across cultures.
Among all the lessons that we have discussed in ethics, what do you find most useful in real life? Why?
Virtue and ethics, this focus on the character and moral virtues, cultivating traits like compassion and courage can lead to better personal relationships and communities by promoting empathy, understanding, and interactions.
Suppose you caught your best friend cheating on an exam, what will you do?
Tell him or her that it's bad, and if you do that again, I will tell to our teacher.
What do you consider to be your most ethical qualities?
Bias, striving to remain neutral and avoid perpetrating stereotypes or misinformation.
Describe a specific instance where you were asked to do something unethical or advised to lie about something.
And I don't have personal experience or emotions, but I can illustrate scenario involving ethical dilemmas. Imagine workplace setting where our employees ask their manager to misrepresent sales figures to make the company appear more profitable during a quarterly report. The employee feels uncomfortable with the request, recognizing that it contradicts their values and principles, honesty and integrity in business. In this instance, the employee could respond expressing their concerns directly to the manager, highlighting the potential legal implication and damage it could cause the company's reputation. They might say, I understand the pressure to present favorable results, but I believe crucial for us to maintain our integrity. Misleading stakeholders could have serious repercussions. And if the manager insists, the employee might scale the matter to higher authorities such as HR, ethics, and committee to ensure their concerns are heard and considered. By doing so, they would uphold their own ethical standards and protect the company from potential fallout, proving their commitment to the long-term integrity over short-term gains.